In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe and automate payments in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have Stripe securely connected so your funnels, invoices, and automations can charge customers without manual work. First, open your GoHighLevel account and look to the top left where you see the current dashboard or location name. Click that name to open the account menu. This menu is where you switch contexts, which is important because payment integrations live at the agency level, not just inside a single location. From that menu, choose Switch to Agency View. Agency View gives you access to global settings and integrations across all sub-accounts. If you're already in Agency View, you're good to go and can continue. If you don't see the option, make sure your user role has agency-level permissions. Next, go to the left-hand sidebar and click Settings. Think of this as your control center. It's where you manage integrations, billing preferences, and other organization-wide configurations that affect how payments and automations run. Inside Settings, select Stripe. This section is dedicated to your Stripe connection. It will either show you that Stripe isn't connected yet or display the button to start the connection flow. This is the official integration, so it uses Stripe's secure authorization process. Click Connect your Stripe account. A secure Stripe window will open and guide you through authorization. This is handled entirely by Stripe using industry-standard encryption, and it links your processor to GoHighLevel without exposing sensitive payment details inside your account. When the Stripe window appears, enter your email address associated with your Stripe account. Use the email tied to the Stripe account you want to connect, ideally the owner or an authorized admin. This keeps your payout settings and permissions consistent. After you provide your email, Stripe will continue the secure authorization flow and bring you back to GoHighLevel once the connection is confirmed. After you return, the Stripe page in Settings should show that your account is connected. That's your green light. From here, payments taken through your GoHighLevel funnels, order forms, and invoices can run through Stripe, and your automations can listen for successful charges to kick off the next steps in your customer journey, like granting access, sending receipts, or starting onboarding workflows. If you run into issues, double-check that pop-ups aren't blocked in your browser for the Connect window, and confirm you're in Agency View. Also make sure you're using the correct Stripe email for the account you intend to connect. That's it, your Stripe integration is set, and you're ready to automate payments in GoHighLevel.